Last summer, our family of four went on a 10-day trip in Japan. To maximize our travel funds, we drafted a cost-efficient itinerary with comfort and convenience in mind. Since transportation in Japan can be quite pricey, an accommodation near transport hubs and target destinations is a factor of prime importance. With this in mind, our first accommodation was a 400-meter walk from Kinsho Station. Which provided convenient access to trains, subways, and buses. The building bearing the name Termina is the JR station where the rapid JR East Sobo line and the Chuo Sobo line run through. While the subway, the Tokyo Metro Hanzomon line, or the Purple line, runs beneath the Parco building, a shopping mall just across Termina. Situated on the side of Parco Mall, across Termina, is a bus station. This station serves direct buses going to Disney Resort and Haneda Airport. The journey takes around 30 to 45 minutes. Kisei Bus is a convenient way to get to Disney Resort since it drops off passengers directly to Disney Parks entrances. For reference, here's the timetable of Kisei Bus from Kinsho Station to Disney Resort and Haneda Airport. Apart from the proximity to transportation, another essential factor in choosing an accommodation is the proximity to restaurants and convenience stores. Check yan sa accommodation na napili natin. The vicinity of our accommodation is also rich in dining options. Napakaraming mapagpipilian. From budget-friendly convenience or convenience stores for practical travelers on the go, kagaya ng pamilya namin, meron ding restaurants for foodies and travelers who are leisure diners. Compared sa mga tourist-heavy areas like Shinjuku or Shibuya, the vicinity of Kinsho, Sumida, Kotobashi are less touristy, kaya mas affordable ang cost of living. Therefore, rates of accommodation at foods restaurants are less expensive, making it an ideal location for practical travelers. Kung sa palagay nyo, kota na tayo sa mga positive deals ng ating accommodation, wait, there's more! Ang direct bus to and from Disney Park to Kinsho Station is another winning deal. After a tiring day at the park, a direct bus just outside the Disney Sea exit awaits. A comfortable journey that will take us home in 30 to 40 minutes. O, diba? Panalo!
Very convenient yung location natin. Kung babalik ako sa Japan at pupunta ako sa Disneyland, sa Kinsho ko ulit tutuloy. Napaka-convenient niya kasi isang bus ride lang, less than 1 hour. So, less walking. Yung major transport hub nandito, like the JR station, pwede kang mag-bus, pwede kang mag-subway. The neighborhood is safe and quiet. Plus, ang daming convenience, ang daming restaurants. Restaurants that will fit your budget.
Kaya naman, tuwang-tuwa kami sa napili naming accommodation. Since the area is less crowded, nakaka-relax ang vibe ng community na ito. Again, proximity to transportation? Check. Access to quality but affordable food? Check. Community safety? Check. Cost of accommodation? Check. May kulang pa ba? I know, kaya ito na, accommodation reveal na tayo. Ipapakita ko na sa inyo ang budget-friendly accommodation na tinirhan namin. Our hotel is located in Kotobashi, Sumida. And the closest
train station is Kinsisho Station. Meron din JR Line. I am just going to show you our accommodation for 3 days. We booked it via Airbnb and we are very happy. The good thing about this accommodation, may elevator, so hindi mabigat, madali, very convenient na magdala ng mga luggage. There are umbrellas available for visitors. There are instructions on how you are going to open the door. You just have to follow and you're not going to have any problem. Right in front of the door, there's an oven toaster. I don't know if you're going to use it. And then there's a shoe rack. There are available slippers. And merong available na, yan, ang labaw. I still have to ask the owner if we can use this one kasi this is our first time sa Airbnb. So there's a vacuum cleaner also. See, there's enough room where you can hang your clothes. There's an iron there. Yun. Okay. May mga tissue. Enough towels. May kettle. May soap na naman. No, detergent. Okay. Tapos, this one, it's a washing machine. I know we can use it. And then, just beside the washing machine is the microwave. The microwave, and then you have the ref. So you see everything that you need. The space is small, compact, but everything you need is here. Okay? Steps away from the door. There's a vanity sink. May upuan pa. Pwede mo gawin yung makeup mo dyan. May soap.
Glass.
4 glasses. Soap again.
And there's also some cooking.
Towel pang clean up ng water. Yan, there's pots. Hair dryer. I don't know what's that. Let's see. Let's see what's this. This is toothpick. Oh, diba? And then, harap nung sink. The toilet. Again, dami tissue. There, dami again tissue. Okay, and of course, the standard Japanese toilet. You know, natuwa yung mga anak ko kasi warm toilet seat. Very small, but very neat, compact. Yun naman ang gusto natin, kahit maliit. This is the shower area. Conditioner, pinakalaki. And then, shampoo. And then, what's this? Maybe body soap. This one, kami nagdala niyan for our face. So, one thing good about this shower room is that you will see how mindful the Japanese are. No, see how they arrange the shower head. They place it facing the wall. Para when you open, hindi ka magugulat. Minsan magugulat ka. Dun sa wall, tatama yung water. Very, very considerate. Very mindful. Okay? See? Tapos, nakakatuwa. Tanan! May upuan. Parang parang Filipino shower area. Tapos you can close this. There. Close. Tanan! Ganda, no? Gusto ko ng ganitong studio kahit mo sa probinsya. Ganda. And then, of course, the kitchen na very neat. Oh, pwede ka magluto. You have the basic condiments. Salt. You have salt here. What's this? Ano to? Oil. Suka. Toyo. Tama ba? Sige, explore natin mamaya. Tapos ayun siguro dishwashing. Well, then, canola naman. Taray. Dalawa. Merong oil. Oil ba to? Oo nga mukha ko eh. Diba? And then, dishwasher, soap, kitchen cleaner. Okay. The kitchen utensils, rice cooker, bowls, plates, pans. It's there. And then, tatlong beds ang bubungad sa'yo with a TV. Then on the side, there's a table where you can eat. You have mugs, you have tissue ulit, trash bin underneath. Yan ang bed namin. For mom and dad, for ate, and bunso. Now, may book, The Alchemist. Yan. Diba? O may mga charger din. Nakakatawa sila. Oh, by the way, you want to see the socket. Ang galing ko lang to, ha? Yan. Ganyan. Okay. So, parang, kagaya ng sabi. Okay? So, tatlo, very compact yung room. But very homey, gaya ng sabi ko, diba? Tapos, there's another surprise. Ayan. Tapos, actually, nirapan akong buksan siya kanina. Okay, you slide it open. It's like, parang screen. And then there's, terrace. Ganda, no? May terrace ka dyan where you can hang your clothes. You want to wash your clothes. So, you can hang your clothes there in the neighborhood. Very peaceful. A few meters away, like 500 meters away. Kilsisho Station. The GR line. Very close also. Ang daming kainan, ang daming hotels, very peaceful, very quiet. Walang ginikaw. Pero shopping district yung harap ng train station. O, diba? Ganda. So, yan. Guys, be honest, like our accommodation.
Yeah, better than town.
Diba? The price is reasonable. 5,000 for a night. So we're staying here for 3 days. We booked it via Airbnb.
I am in no way affiliated to the owner and any booking platform I mentioned in this vlog. Everything has been truthfully expressed based on our personal experiences with an intention to help future travelers who are looking for a budget-friendly accommodation for a family or a group of 4. Should you wish to stay at Hotel Sunshine, take the Narita Sky Access Express instead of the Narita Skyliner. The Kisei Narita Sky Access ticket can be purchased at the Skyliner and Kisei Information Center. The train runs on the same platform as the Narita Skyliner Express, which is Platform 1. Kisei Narita Sky Access from Airport Terminal 2 to Oshagi Station would only cost you around 1,200 yen or 480 pesos. Plus 180 yen from Oshagi to Kinsho Station, which is actually covered by Tokyo's subway pass should you decide to get one. The cost of the entire trip in total from the airport to the hotel will range from 1,200 to 1,300 yen or 480 to 552 pesos, a savings of around 330 to 500 pesos in comparison to the route with the Skyliner Express. The duration of the entire trip would run around a minimum of 62 to 80 minutes. For other related vlogs showcasing our accommodation, you may watch the following. Watch our Disney Sea vlog part 1 and part 2. Dito rin po sa vlog na ito na i-feature ko yung accommodation natin. So kindly check this vlog also. Hope this helps. Once again, arigato gozaimasu! If you find this vlog helpful and informative, let me know by hitting that like button. Subscribe and hit the bell to get you notified for new uploads. Once again, arigato gozaimasu!